This video is sponsored by Value Testers. For a complete line of specialty work-related tools, biggest selection, and best pricing, when you need to upgrade your tools, think Value Testers. Create a free login for best pricing. Link in description below.
Morning, guys. It's July 5th, 2018. This one here, I gotta go to a beach house. Some guy I know has got a beach front property and got a problem with the tub shower valve. He says when he turns it on, the thing sprays all over the place. So I'm gonna go over there and see if I can find out what's going on. Try to get you some shots. It's on, it leaks. Well, that diverter's no good. I gotta fix that. That might be what the problem is. See how it's hard? No, that's probably the nut that's bad. Look at that. I mean, that's bad. This thing's jacked up too. See if we can fix it. Yeah, packing nut right there, but yeah, it's loose. There's a nut right here, but yeah, it's loose. No, it's coming right out this diverter spout. Wow, that's really bad. This is like a beach house. He says he's having a flood down below, so we'll see. Take this out. Could be squirting right out of here, maybe, or cracked or something. Try it again. Let's see what happens. There's just a lot of chooch coming out of there. Yeah, look at that. Squirting right out there. Look at that. Wow. Holy cow. She's a leaker, Mama. She's a leaker. She's a leaker. I'll have to get another diverter. I got one in the truck, I think. This is a white one for a tub. We'll see if we can get that out of there. It's like this house is up on stilts, so it's leaking down below. I mean, the thing is just flipping, dripping. Wow. Looks like it's all cracked. It must have went through a freeze. All the pieces all cracked. If I can get it out, maybe. Let's hopefully. Look at the pieces. Must have went through a freeze. Not good. I have to drill it out. Yeehaw! I gotta get a white one out of the truck. Well, I've never seen a squirt out that bad before. That's bad. Let me get a white one out of the truck. Alright, so I got the one for the shower. one for the tub shower. This is a tub shower. It's a white one. See how it's white? The one that strictly showers is a black one. I have to use the right one. Plumber's grease, key grease, same thing. That thing must have went through a freeze or something. There's a little unit that's got to go inside there. I don't know if you can see, but that little brass thing goes in there. Sometimes I'm better off with a screwdriver. Use my screwdriver. I get that in there like so. Really humid down here in the water. Wow. Okay. We'll try it again before we put it back together. Somebody's played with this thing. Okay, it works good now. That should be tub and that should be shower. I just got it there so it doesn't, not in my way. Alright, put it back together. That should take care of it. Not the greatest shower head in the world, but that's all it is. I took that out of the shower head. Flow control. We'll try it again, see if we get a better flow. That's a better flow now. Much better.